Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Bull Bay, and this is the new Bull Bay sign that was recently installed. And look at the park or the area around the sign. You see how the grass is growing up? Now you won't be able to walk from the road to the sign as it was intended. They have benches over there, but nobody is maintaining the property. So I'm asking you guys, who is responsible for maintaining this property? Is it the parish council? Is it the persons who build the road? I really don't. I would assume it's the parish council, but whoever it is, they need to do a better job at maintaining it. And this happens so many times, so many places you go. Sometimes even the bushing on the road needs to be done. But those are goats. I guess because the grass is so high. But as you can see, people used to stop and take pictures by this sign, but that can't be done now. I must say the Negril sign is well maintained, although I don't think they have grass around it. It's more concrete. So maybe they should have done something like that here, knowing the maintenance would be what it is. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And if anybody knows who is responsible for maintaining this sign and the park or the area around it. Alright guys, just giving you a quick update today. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.